Can you guess what the top 3 excuses are that people use to hold them back? Maybe you've even used them before. Hi, I'm Heather Paris. Welcome back to Transformational Tuesday, where I give you tips and techniques to live inspired now. And today we're talking about the top 3 things that people say that hold them back in life. The number one thing is, I don't have enough time. I know I've said it before in my life too, but I stopped. I've completely stopped. And since I've done that, I've gotten way more time. So the fact is that it actually takes people less time to do a task than it does to plan it out, write it, schedule it for later, and then think about it all day that they need to get it done. So the rule of thumb is, if it takes 20 minutes or less, just do it immediately. Don't put it off for later. That's actually going to save you a lot of time. And stop saying, I don't have enough time, because the fact is, we all have the same exact amount of time. And the number 2 thing is, I can't afford it. That's the biggest thing that people say that holds them back financially. What can you afford? The fact of the matter is that people can afford things that they don't think they can if they would prioritize their finances differently. So a helpful tip is to stop saying the words, I can't afford it. At the very least, say, I'm not prioritizing this right now. I'll get it later or whatever, but stop saying you can't afford it, because you can if you juggle, or if you reprioritize, or if you find extra money, or even if you just put it off till later. And then the number 3 thing that people say that holds them back is, I've always done it this way. Just because you have longevity in your approach doesn't mean that you've been doing it correctly. So doing something over and over and over the same way doesn't mean it was the right way. So try something different, right? No matter what you're saying that's holding you back, start making a plan instead of an excuse. You can plan anything and get results that you want. Find a mentor, find a coach, or just sit down and really take a good hard look at the words that you're using and start to replace them with more positive, uplifting words that'll help you get the results that you want. I will talk to you next week. I'm Heather Paris, and don't forget to email me, heather@liveinspirednow.com. I love your comments and I love your questions, and I'll see you next week.